push-button TRITON series control blower motor replacement. Plug in the control power cord. Warning: do not touch any high voltage area as indicated on the main control board. Power LED is solid red. Press and release the raise button and verify power LED turns green. Valve opens. Blower motor will not turn on. With the power disconnected from the control, remove the top faceplate assembly by removing the 4-cap head screws. Flip over the top faceplate assembly and verify the blue wires from the blower are connected to the board properly. Verify both spade connectors to the blower are connected properly as well. While leaving all connections connected to GFCI, remove the 2 bolts holding it to the rear housing. Remove the 2 spade connections from the rear of the fuse holder. Place the top plate assembly inside the control housing. Remove the 4 cap nuts holding the control housing to the base plate. Remove the control housing from the base plate. Remove ground wire and power wire leads from blower. Remove top hose clamp from air tube and remove lock screw from air tube. Note: before removing the blower motor, pay close attention to its orientation, as it sets on top of the blower tube. This must remain the same so the new motor will fit properly in the control housing. Remove the blower motor from air tube. Replace the new motor in the same orientation and tighten the hole clamp. Reconnect the wire leads and ground wire to the blower motor. Feed the faceplate assembly through the control top opening and place the control housing onto the base plate. Align the studs on the base plate to the holes in the housing. You may need to use a screwdriver to help align the holes. Replace the 4 cap nuts to secure the housing to the base plate. Reattach the GFCI to control housing. Reconnect the spade connections to the fuse holder. Plug in the control power cord. Warning: do not touch any high voltage area as indicated on the main control board. Before resecuring the top faceplate assembly to the control housing, power up the control and verify it works properly. Reassemble the top faceplate. Replace the 4 cap screws in the corner of the faceplate.